Jungle animals. Story. What's this?
Lulu, what's this?
It's a snake. A snake goes like this. Hiss, hiss.
Oh, yes, a snake. What's this?
It's a tiger. A tiger goes like this. Grrr, grrr.
Oh, yes, a tiger. What's this?
It's a crocodile. A crocodile goes like this. Snap, snap.
Oh, yes, a crocodile. What's this?
It's a parrot. A parrot goes like this. Squawk, squawk.
Oh, yes, a parrot. What's this?
It's a monkey. A monkey goes like this.
Oh, yes, a monkey. And what's this? Help!
It's a cat on a scooter. A cat goes...
Ouch! Meow. Sorry.
Don't forget to subscribe today to English Lessons Online. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.